Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can repeat a card in your Trello workspace really quickly. For example, to make it recurring, it is actually super easy and you can do this without any technical skills whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us get started. So start by heading over to Trello and by logging into your account. What you want to do in the first step is select your workspace in the top left corner by clicking on the arrow down icon next to workspaces and select your workspace from that list below. After that, pick a board from that list here on the left hand side. So let me go with that basic board here for the sake of this tutorial. And here to the right, you will see cards and lists. So pick a card from that list. Let me go with that one here for demonstration purposes. Now, to make it recurring or to repeat that card on autopilot here on Trello, you will need to add a power-up to your library here on Trello. To do that, click on power-ups here at the top, select that tab. After that, click on Add Power-Ups here, and here inside the Trello library, use the search bar and type in or search for something like card repeater. There you see the suggestion below, so click on it. And all you will need to do, guys, is click on that Add button here. So let me do that really quickly. Wait for the installation to be processed. Well, that shouldn't take Trello more than a couple of seconds. So once the card repeater power-up has been successfully installed, you can close that window here by clicking on X and simply repeat your card by left clicking on it. That is going to open up that window here. So what you want to do, guys, is take a look at that panel here on the right hand side and look for power-ups that have been installed. As you can see, the repeater or card repeater has been added, so you can select the repeat feature by clicking on it, and after that simply set a repeat schedule, like for example weekly, monthly or yearly. Let me go with a weekly scheduling for the sake of this tutorial. Set a time, for example, here, and also a day of the week like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on and so forth. Simply select or check these checkboxes below. After that, you may, for example, set a frequency like every week or recurring 2 weeks, 3 weeks, every month or 4 weeks, and so on and so forth. Add it to a list of yours here in your board and also position. And that's basically it, guys. Now to save your recurring task or card, simply click on save here to make it repeat on autopilot according to your set schedule. And that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time on our channel.